So our experience with UT has been excellent, right from the day one with Mr. Anubhav and Manish sir. Both have been advising us, like family would advise for their own children, and absolutely superb support from their team, right from Shruti ma'am, Nandini ma'am with all the essays, and her experience really shone out, with all the sessions she had with Nayanika to bring out exactly what was on her mind for her applications. And yes, we also got very good support for the SAT program, which brought out an excellent score for her. So overall, hats off and kudos and all the very best to UT.
I feel the most advantageous part of being with UT was that it's more of a guidance rather than just being a professional unit. There's actually a parent coming, while guiding the students. So it is like it's a wholesome experience because it's not just a professional input which you get. You also get quite a bit of a personal feedback as to where the child should stay, what kind of meal plans. So it's more of a wholesome personal parent because Mr. Anubhav's kids both are, I think, also studying abroad. So that's a great experience. That's a great input and leads to a great experience.